How to use the Uber driver app 2023. Okay guys, so here's the latest Uber driver app as of March 2023. Not a lot has changed from the previous year. However, there could be some changes that you might notice, but let's get straight into it. So when you open the app, this is what you see. You can tap on, there's certain navigation menu items that I want to go through. So the top left hand corner of the menu, let's go ahead and get into that and go through all the features and options. On the top you have the menu, you have your profile, and if you tap on your picture, it's going to show you your profile. And this profile is basically, this one is the rides profile. So when I'm basically driving, picking up customers, this is the profile that shows up, and this can also be seen by your customers. And these are the compliments, some comments right here. We have some achievements, and we can also add other experiences and why I drive. And you can edit this by tapping the pencil icon on the top right hand corner, and you can edit this information right here. Let's go back. Okay, now if there's two different profiles, one's for deliveries and one's for rides. So this one's for deliveries. 98% satisfaction rate, 420 deliveries since March 2016. You can edit this profile also to some extent. You can add your favorite food, languages spoken, why I deliver. You can add that as well. Let's go back. Let's go back into the menu. Inbox is where you'll see all your promotions and things of that nature, any kind of messages from Uber or what's going on in the city. So this is, you can earn extra money and complete 15 trips in 4 days and earn an extra $235. And then it tells you that you can actually rent a Tesla from Hertz and earn an extra $1 on every trip. So that's great for electric vehicles. And if you don't have a car, you can even rent a car to drive for Uber, which is great. Let's go back, and again, you can go through the messages and read what it's all about, and sign up to any promotions that might be showing up. In the inbox, there is also the help icon on the top left, or top right, sorry. If you tap on it, this is the help section. This is also where you can call support at the bottom. You tap on call support. You can put in a issue type and then just tap on call us, and it's going to call Uber support if you need to talk to them. And then this is all the other knowledge-based articles you can say, or help section, frequently asked questions and stuff. Let's go back and go back into the menu. Let's go to the next one, which is refer friends. This is where you can actually refer your friends with your code, and if they sign up and drive, every city is different. Since I'm in Los Angeles, it's going to have different, every city is going to have different offers. And as you can see that if you refer a new driver and they complete 100 trips for the first 60 days of sign up, you'll get $750. So that's for Los Angeles. Every city is different. And if you refer a new courier, you'll get 50. Refer a returning driver for 200. And at the bottom, and you have share your link. If you tap on that, it's going to give you your code and how you can share your link on maybe social media or things like that. And then my status, I have earned a total of 450 through 3 drivers signing up, and that's a while ago. So there's that. Let's go to opportunities. Under opportunities, this is again shows you what's happening in the city, what kind of promotions they have going on. So you can pick this. So this is a weekends quest, and if you tap on that, it should going to show you. I guess it's not loading right now for me, but so this is where you will see and sign up to any promotions that are going on in the city. And you can see that you can earn an extra 150 for every trip. There's boost information, 350 extra on every trip, and there's different time slots. So it shows you what time slots, if you drive, you can earn, and which area you'd have to drive in for you to get the bonus. And then it gives you some promotion details and such. So there's a map, and it shows you if you drive within this area between 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. you'll get a 350 extra on every trip, and you can sign up to it by tapping on sign up, and then so on and so forth. There's multiple ones going on, and you can see up to 2 days in advance, 23, 24, and 25. So this is great. Opportunities to earn more money. Let's go back to the menu, go to earnings. Since I have not worked in a long time, you can see it says 0, balance is 0, and this is also where you can cash out. If you have earned some money, you can cash out into your checking account. And then there's also a healthcare stipend that you can get if you complete 321 active hours to qualify for $1,274.28. You can get a healthcare stipend, which is great. More ways to earn. Again, if you tap on upcoming promotions, it's going to take you back to the promotions information. And we're going to go back. We're going to go to Uber Pro. Now this is basically a Uber rewards program where if you collect a certain number of points, you get perks. In fact, if you earn the diamond status, you can get a one-time bonus as well, and if you tap on it, it's going to tell us. Okay, so here's the diamond driver bonus, and tells you what you're gonna get and how you're gonna get it. And if you tap on the see cash reward value, it's a $600 cash reward value, which is awesome. And it's gonna tell you how it works at the bottom, and which is a great thing. Let's go back, and if we tap on learn more on the top, it's going to show us what each ride is, like how many points do you get per trip. So this is how it tells you there. You have to maintain a certain number of trips. If you tap on how to earn points, it's going to show us that this is how you would earn points. So earn 3 points per trip if you take them within these time slots. All right, that's good to know. And then each particular status, like gold has different rewards, pro has different rewards, and platinum, and then diamond is the highest. So you'll just get different perks for it, free 1-year Costco Gold Star membership, extra destination, dedicated customer support, cash reward for diamond. So all of these things are perks for it's like a rewards program. Okay, and let's go into the wallet. Wallet is where you're going to see your cash, whatever you have earned, and the last payouts, and then the payment methods. You can change it here as well, add or remove banking information and such information, debit cards and stuff like that. Then we have account. This is where you'll see your documents and vehicles. So this is my vehicle, which is since I haven't driven in a while, I haven't updated my documents, but this is where you'll see that. Work Hub, another, this is where you can actually turn on certain features. If you want to deliver alcohol with Uber Eats, you can turn on those requests. You can turn on deliver food with Uber Eats, make deliveries for businesses with Uber Direct, or get more food delivery opportunities. So this is where you will turn on and off those features. And let's go back to account. And then documents is where you'll see your documents, license, background check, things of that nature will all show up here, and it'll tell you if they're expiring soon or if they have expired and if you have to update them. This is where you'll see that. Then we'll go to payment. Again, payment is where you can change your payment methods. Tax info is where you can change your tax information. Pretty self-explanatory. Tax settings, tax summaries, tax forms. We have manage Uber account, where it'll show you your account information, and security, where you can change your password and things of that nature. We'll go to edit address. This is your address where you can change it here. Start places is basically if you were to add any restaurant, you star a restaurant, you'll see it on the map. Before you accept a trip, it'll show you that that is a favorite place of yours to pick up people at. Beacon is that glowing emblem that you can see on some Uber cars. They have them attached to the windshield, and it matches the color of it matches the color of the customer's phone screen, so they know that that is their Uber. And this is where you would pair that beacon. It's called a beacon, and this is where you'll put the serial number to pair that beacon with your account and your phone. And then about, it just tells you the version of the app. Insurance is what is basically Uber's insurance. It tells you that every trip is insured and what is covered, what is not covered, right here. Settings and privacy. You can turn on 3-step verification here, and privacy center, you can check out anything that your information, how that's being shared in your data, how Uber uses and shares that data. So that would be right here. You can also delete your account under account security, right here under this section, under the privacy section. And then let's go into app settings, and under sounds and voice, this is where you can set your trip alert volume to max or control with phone. You can select the volume, softer, normal, or louder, and then you can turn on voice navigation, rider messages. You can have the app read the rider messages and announce trip events right here. You can turn those options on and off. Navigation, you can select either Uber navigation within the app, or you can select Google Maps. I have always Google Maps selected. You can turn on auto navigate, where you don't have to tap on navigate every time you accept a trip. It'll automatically start doing that for you. And then routing is whether you're driving or bicycling or walking. So that's, if that is applicable to what you're doing, then that would be right here. Then accessibility, this is where you can turn on screen flash for requests, vibration for requests, languages and let riders know that you're deaf or hard of hearing. You can turn these features on and off here. Then we have night mode. It's automatic, but you can actually have it always on, always off, or automatic. Night mode just means that your app will show black background or white background, depending on what mode you select. Follow my ride. Follow my ride is basically where you can actually send your live location to someone, a loved one, or someone who can track you while you're driving for Uber for safety purposes. They'll know exactly where you are at all times, and you can select it from here. Then you have emergency contacts. If anything, God forbid, anything happens, you can select contacts right here and have them, the medical services will contact them, or 9 police will contact those people if anything happens to you, God forbid. Then we have speed limit. You can turn on or off the speed limit while you're driving. Your app will show you what speed you're driving at, and it will turn the color of the speed limit icon to red if you're going too fast, or things like that. And then again, in case of an unexpected event, Uber will initiate a RideCheck and providing you with access to relevant safety tools to quickly get the help you need. So if there's any kind of trip irregularities, if the trip is taking you somewhere where it's not supposed to, Uber will recognize that automatically if you have this turned on, and it's going to alert you and take further action for your safety in case there's any kind of hanky-panky going on, or your rider is not a safe person and he's could be anything of that nature. So those are all the app settings, and let's go back out into the main screen. Now let's tap on the 0 on the top middle. This is where you will, when you tap on it, it'll show you your rewards status, show you how much you've earned, how many points you've gained, how many trips you've completed, and what the last trip was. And you can actually tap on each one of them to see details. So if I tap on earnings details, earnings activity, it's going to tell me all my last deliveries. So I did all these deliveries. I had actually stopped driving for Uber for a while during COVID, and I was just simply doing deliveries. So these are all the deliveries that I have done, all the last deliveries. Okay, and so that's again, if you tap on the progress for your Uber Pro, it's going to show you how many points you have and how many points you need to go on to the next level. And if we look at the weekly summary, that's going to show me weekly stats, how much money I've made during the week. Alright, and that is it, guys. You can actually select a vehicle by tapping the filter icon right here that's showing up. If I had multiple vehicles, or if you have multiple vehicles under your account, you can select them here. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share, and check out my other videos on the my channel, and there's a lot more to come in the future. Please let me know in the comment section if you'd like me to cover anything else or make a video about anything. I will gladly oblige. Again, stay safe, stay tuned, and stay blessed.